Hello everyone, I hope you all are doing great. And if not, I am so sure that you all are giving your best in everything you're doing right now. Don't give up, you got this. Trust me, you can do anything. So, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am Nimi and I am a artist by passion. And in today's video, we are going to see a process of my original artwork. Along with that, we are going to see 5 tips of mine to be a great, I don't say great, but to be a better artist than you are. So, yeah, let's get started. Hi from the voiceover Nimmi. So, yeah, for the original piece, I am going to share the thought process behind the piece. Casually, on a random day, I was scribbling on my sketchbook, which is this watercolor sketchbook, and I have created a woman, just normal woman, with a red pen. And then I took my black pen with that, and I just created the same woman, but shifted towards the right. And for me, this idea touched my mind, and yeah, so I decided to create a double portrait kind of thing, जहाँ पे दोनों portrait will be same, but the thing will be that one will look like more distorted one, जिसको मैं रेड कलर से बनाने वाली हूँ, and that will be the first portrait, and the second portrait will be much more clearer, but yet the second portrait is also going to be a black and white one, because I want to showcase the process change here, and change is a process. So I wanted to create a illusion of change, that someone was more disoriented and that became better, but yet not the perfect one. So yeah, this is my idea, this is what I have in mind, or this is what I had in mind when I was thinking about creating this idea. So yeah, let's begin this process. सो फॉर माई ओरिजिनल पीस मैंने यहाँ पे एक वुडन बोर्ड यूज़ किया है, अप्लाई बोर्ड, और मैंने उसके ऊपर 4 लेयर जेसो लगाया है, एंड उसके बाद मैंने ये जो मैं ड्राइंग बनाने वाली हूँ, या जो उसका बेसिक स्केच एक क्लियरली क्रिएट किया है, एंड लेट्स सी हाउ इट टर्न्स. So, yeah, let's now talk about the 5 tips you all are waiting for to become a better artist. So, tip number 1 is get started. I know starting any kind of new art piece is very intimidating. I know this pain very well, but yes, if you are facing some issue on trying something on a bigger piece, try to create something on a smaller one, matlab just like a on a smaller sketchbook or on a smaller paper. I hope that will become less intimidating than the bigger piece or the piece you wanted to start with something, be it be a doodle, a ribble, any kind of rough sketch or anything that you are comfortable in. Grab your pencil, grab your pen, grab any kind of marker, any paint, anything that you are so comfortable that you can just move around with it. Just grab that and get started. एंड रिमेंबर, पहला स्टेप हमेशा सबसे मुश्किल होने वाला ही है, बट पहला स्टेप आधा सफ़र भी होता है. तो यस, थोड़ा मुश्किल है, लेकिन यू हैव टू टेक फर्स्ट स्टेप, एंड दैट इज़ द मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट थिंग. Tip number 2, don't compare your present drawing, art piece, or anything with anything else. I literally mean with anything else. Be from with someone else's artwork, or be it be your own previous artworks that you have done. Don't compare the piece of canvas or the piece of paper which is in front of you with anything out there, because every painting is a experience. Every painting comes with its own story, and every painting goes along the way it is meant to be. So more than stressing over what you already have done and why this is not working, keep yourself calm and just sit back and give your best in this present canvas or in this present paper which is in front of you, and that will lead you milestones. And if the painting you're creating right now is not a masterpiece, yet it is the experience, and it will be a beautiful experience forever that you will cherish forever. Trust me. Tip number 3, trust the process. So yeah, as I said earlier, every painting comes with its own unique story, its own unique experience. Each and every painting have a ugly face. Trust me, there will be a phase when you just want to throw that piece of paper, that piece of canvas away, because you will think ki, this is ugly enough and I can't work on this anymore. But that is just the process. You have to trust the process, and with time things will get better. एज अगर तुम अपने पुराने किसी पेंटिंग का अगली फेस देखोगे तो वो तुम्हें लगेगा कि आज के अगली फेस से बहुत ज़्यादा ख़राब था. बट या जैसे जैसे मैंने कहा कि जैसे जैसे आपकी प्रैक्टिस बढ़ती है या जैसे जैसे आप एक सिंगल पीस पे भी आगे बढ़ते हो ना, चीज़ें गेट्स बेटर. थिंग्स फाइंड्स हिज ओन वे, एंड क्रिएटिंग अ आर्ट पीस इज़ अ प्रोसेस. इट्स नॉट जस्ट कि हाँ हम आज शुरू किए और बस फाइनल हो जाता. नो, इट्स अ प्रोसेस एंड इट टेक्स टाइम, इट टेक्स पेशेंस, एंड इट goes with all the ugly phases, the beautiful phases. And trust me, if you are on the ugly phase of your painting right now, you will witness the beautiful part of this painting for sure very soon. So don't give up and trust the process. Tip number 4, don't expect too much. And I'm not saying this only with the context of the paintings or art pieces. It's in a general context that expectations can lead to disappointments, and disappointments can lead to a feeling of not being able, or the feeling of that you can't do that. So yeah, don't expect too much. No, things will go the way they are meant to be, and expecting too much can obviously hurt you too much in many ways. So better expect less, do the work more, but don't expect that your work will be the best, your work will be the masterpiece. No, things don't work like that. Also, having expectations is something that can obviously lead things in a not a very good direction. Having expectations is okay, but having expectations too much, and or even if you're having very minimal expectations, still if you are not able to get that minimum result, don't be disappointed. I know it's a human tendency or a human nature to feel disheartened, to feel that you can't do anything else if you fail at one work. But trust me, your one piece of paper or your one canvas can't decide your entire art journey, or can't decide your life, how the life is going to be. So yeah, expect, but no, don't expect too much, and don't let your expectations hurt your emotional well-being. Every famous artist out there of the history, they don't created their masterpiece like, I will start this today and tomorrow I will finish this masterpiece in one go without any fails or anything like that. No, things don't work out like that. There were many attempts, there were many failed attempts, and that is a truth. If you want to make it a sad truth, you can make it a sad truth by being disheartened, by throwing your art piece, or by throwing your brushes away and saying ki I will not paint, or I can't paint, or I am unable, I am a loser. You can do that, or you can make it a learning experience. You can say, okay, this hasn't worked out, but I guess this is meant to be like this. But I will not give up. I will start again. I will find another way to do things in a better way. Tip number 5, move on. Yeah, of course, I'm not giving you any kind of relationship advices here. But in this art process too, if one thing doesn't work out for you, if a medium doesn't work out for you, if a painting doesn't work out for you the way you wanted it to be, just move on. Things don't end there. Things वहाँ ख़त्म नहीं हो रही हैं. There are plenty of things to try. There are so much you can do better than एक आर्ट पीस ख़राब हो जाने पर हाय राम ये क्या हो गया, हाय राम मैं कुछ कर भी सकती हूँ कि या नहीं, या हाय राम मुझसे कुछ होगा भी या नहीं. This is totally, in my opinion, a waste of time, waste of energy, and most of all, the waste of the talent you have. You are just being disrespectful to your own self. If things doesn't work out, or if things doesn't become the way you want it to be, just move on. If things are hurting you so much, take 2-3 breaks, take 2-3 days off. Just don't think about that. Come with a fresh mind and then start another piece. That is a journey. You can't stuck at one thing for an entire life. You have created bad drawings, paintings yesterday, and you have created it today too, and you will create these kind of uncompleted, bad, or you can say not up to your expectations kind of drawings or paintings in future too. But this doesn't mean that you stop moving ahead. You have to, and you will, and I am so sure that you will have a great time ahead with some of the great paintings ahead. So I hope you enjoyed the process of creating this art piece. This is very special to me because this is my original art piece, and I hope my tips are gonna help you to become a better artist. And yes, if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe, and share this video. I will see you next week. Till then, keep creating, and don't forget there is no right or wrong way of creating. And yeah, I love you. Thank you so much. Bye.